Alright guys, we're running this for Justin. Got a pick one here. 11:14 a.m. Type live. Alright, we are live. 11:14 a.m. 11:14 a.m. Grab a list. 20 spots. Drop it into random. 20 entries. Joss on the bottom. Chad on top. We'll roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have a 6. That's good. Going 6 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5 times. Dice roll was a 6. Next click. Top spot wins. Good luck. And 6. Congrats to Greg. Spot 17. You are the winner. Get in touch with Justin. He will get that out to you. 11:15 a.m. Go back. Type done. We are done. 11:15 a.m. 11:15 a.m. Here is the verification code and the timestamp.